The one accessory that is a must-have for every parent is a stroller fan. Since babies have trouble regulating their temperature, which can sometimes lead to overheating, a stroller fan is a perfect accessory to keep them cool and dry. These mini fans are compact cooling devices that blow a steady but not intense stream of air and are typically powered by rechargeable or alkaline batteries. And yeah, while the name stroller fan implies that the product is designed to work for babies, there aren't any rules against using this for yourself. You could probably do with a bit of heat relief as well from the fan. I know I have, especially during power outage. Hi, I'm Shibabs, and today we're going to unbox and review the HOUCAE or HOUCAE Stroller Desktop Mini Rechargeable Fan. The package components are: one, the HOUCAE fan doesn't come with a battery apart, but the battery is integrated. Comes with a charging line and a user manual. General specifications about this item is, well, the battery capacity is a 5000 mAh battery, working time between 7 and 40 hours, basically 2 days, and the charging time for this item is about 3 hours. Giving more information about this item, first thing is the flexible tripod. This makes it easy to attach to basically anything and everything. Not only for a baby stroller, but also you can attach it to a crib, car seat, treadmill, golf cart, wheelchair, office equipment. When you go on camping, hiking, travel, you can easily carry it around with you. You can bend it at any angle to create various forms such as a handheld fan, a desktop fan, a wall fan, and even a phone holder. Focusing on the build material, it's stronger and more durable, and the fan supports a 360-degree rotation, which allows you to make appropriate adjustments. As per charging, as we mentioned earlier in the general specs, it comes with a built-in rechargeable 5000 mAh battery. Full charging takes about 3 hours using the micro USB interface, and the working time can be as long as 7 to 40 hours depending on the wind speed. You can recharge via USB port, laptop, power bank, car charger, etc. All you have to do is simply connect the USB interface to rechargeable USB charging port and connect the Type-C charging interface to the fan Type-C charging port. The LED indicator lights up in red to indicate charging is taking place. A green light indicates full charge. There are 3 speeds available for you to choose, which you can control from this button. This is also the on-off button. Another good thing here is the noise level, which is sufficiently low, below 57 decibels. After fully charged, press the power button and the fan starts to work. That's the first thing. When you press the power button the first time, that's the first speed. Fan can run up to 40 hours at this speed. Press the second time for the second speed. Fan can run up to 15 hours at this speed. Press the third time for the third speed, which is the fastest. Fan can run up to 7 hours at this speed. And the fourth time you press the button, it will shut off the unit. Generally, the first thing I look for in one of these mini fans is safety. The mesh design prevents contact with the fan blades and thus prevents injury, while also allowing at the same time to blow strong wind effectively. The fan grid is safe enough as the build prevents your baby or toddler from accidentally inserting their fingers. The front can be easily disabled. You can use a rag or paper towel to clean the fan blades so they can be used the next time. So, if you plan to get a mini fan, the HOUCAE or HOUCAE, I don't know if it's pronounced HOUCAE, stroller fan is a must-have artifact for you. You can attach it to practically anything at any angle. It will work for at least 7 hours and it's very easy to use or set up. Hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information about the HOUCAE or HOUCAE stroller desktop mini rechargeable fan. If you're interested in one of these, we've included down below the link to get this fan and other excellent models which will do the job also. I appreciate your time watching this video. Please share your experience and or let me know what you guys think about the product in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone